Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all, we need to go to our Play Store and we're going to download Windows 11 launcher. Go to your Play Store and then you can go to the search bar. Okay, and here you can search for Win 11 launcher. Okay, this one guys. Okay, and you need to install this application on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Here, as you can see, I have installed this Windows 11 launcher, so I just need to open it. I'm just going to go back to my app screen, and then once you're ready to use the Windows 11 launcher, you just need to open it like this, and your screen will turn into Windows 11 display. Okay, and this is the result, as you can see guys. And wait, I'm going to try to rotate my screen and see the result. Okay, as you can see that my Samsung Galaxy phone's display is like on Windows 11. Okay, and you can access your apps menu right here. And if you want to open up the setting, just click on the setting icon, and here you'll be able to personalize your Windows 11 on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, I'm just going to go to this system. Okay, and then I'm just going to go back and I'm going to click on this icon. Okay, this is for the Bluetooth and battery speaker, like this. Okay, that's so easy, right? You just need to install the Windows 11 launcher and you will get Windows 11 on your Samsung Galaxy phone. And if you want to switch to your default display, you just need to click on this icon like this, and then you will be able to close it. Wait guys, I'm just going to click on close all, and I can get back my default display. Okay guys, and that's all the way to install Windows 11 on the Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!